Most people will never build meaningful passive income, not because the math does not work, because nobody ever walks them through the actual process from start to finish. They hear that $5 a day can become $5,000 a month in dividend income, and they dismiss it as marketing, because it sounds too good to be possible. It is not too good to be possible. It is a documented mathematical outcome of a specific 7-step process, using a specific 5-investment portfolio. The people who follow that process end up with dividend income that pays them more every single year for the rest of their life. The people who dismiss it stay exactly where they are. This video is the complete walkthrough. Every step, every investment, every projection. By the end, you will know the exact portfolio that turns $5 a day into over $5,000 per month. Here is the number that should immediately change how you think about small daily contributions. $5 a day is $1,825 per year. Over 30 years, that is $54,750 of your own money invested. $54,750. But here is what that $54,750 becomes when it is invested in a 5-stock dividend portfolio with a blended yield of 3.38%, an average dividend growth rate of 12.17%, an annual share price appreciation of 8.7%. After 30 years, that account is projected to reach approximately $793,560, and it pays approximately $5,091 every single month in dividend income, without selling a single share. The gap between $54,750 and $793,560 is not luck. It is dividend reinvestment, compounding over 3 decades. And the gap between someone who knows this process and someone who does not is the entire reason most people will never have meaningful passive income. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what dividends are, how they grow, which 5 investments to hold, and how to set the whole system up in about 15 minutes. So make sure to stay until the end, leave a like, and let's start. A dividend is what happens when a company makes more money than it needs to run its business. Instead of keeping all of it, the company sends a piece of that profit directly to the people who own its stock. You do not have to sell anything. You do not have to do anything at all. You own the stock, the company makes money, and they send you a cut, usually every 3 months. That is passive income. If you invest $1,000 into a stock paying a 3% dividend yield, you receive $30 per year just for holding it. The money simply shows up in your account because you own the stock. But here is the part most people miss. That $30 does not stay $30 forever. Good companies do not just pay dividends. They raise them every single year. That $30 you earn this year becomes $33 next year, then $36.30, then $39.93. Same shares, same investment. The payment keeps climbing on its own. And this is not rare. Many companies have raised their dividend every single year for 20, 30, even 50 consecutive years. It is not a bonus, it is a pattern, and it is one of the most powerful forces in investing once you give it enough time to run. Now here is the part that separates passive income from real wealth. What you do with those dividend payments when they arrive. Every time a dividend lands in your account, you have 2 choices. Take the cash, or use it to buy more shares of the same investment. If you take the cash, the payment stays the same size next quarter. But if you reinvest, you now own more shares. More shares means a bigger payment next quarter. That bigger payment buys even more shares, which means an even bigger payment the quarter after that. The loop runs on itself. Here is what that looks like in concrete numbers. Put $1,000 into a stock priced at $10 a share, paying a 5% dividend yield. Year 1, you earn $50 in dividends. Reinvest the $50 and buy 5 more shares. Now you own 105 shares. Year 2, those 105 shares pay $52.50 in dividends. Reinvest. Now 110 shares. Year 3, $55 in dividends. Reinvest. Now 115 shares. You started with 100. 3 years later, you have 115 without adding a single dollar out of your own pocket. That is compounding. And this example assumed a flat share price and a flat dividend. In the real portfolio you are about to see, the share price rises every year and the dividend grows every year, which means the loop runs faster and faster the longer it stays on. Every major brokerage has a single setting called DRIP. Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Turn it on once and every dividend automatically buys more shares. But here is the problem this system has to solve. And most people building passive income forget about it entirely. Inflation. The whole point of dividend investing is to reach a point where your portfolio pays you enough to cover your monthly expenses without you having to work. For most people today, that target sits around $2,000 a month in real purchasing power. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. A little room to breathe, but $2,000 today is not $2,000 in 30 years. At an average inflation rate of 3%, $2,000 in year 30 has the buying power of approximately $825 today. Same dollar amount. Less than half the purchasing power. So the real target is not $2,000 a month. It is the number that actually feels like today's $2,000 when you arrive there, which is approximately $5,000 a month, adjusted for 30 years of inflation. That is the real target. And it is probably yours too. Now here is the filter every investment in this portfolio has to pass. 3 criteria. And if any one of them is missing, the math to $5,000 a month breaks down. First, the investment has to pay you now, not eventually, not after some growth phase. Actual cash hitting your account today. That is dividend yield. Second, that payment has to grow every year. A flat dividend gets destroyed by inflation. So, you are not just looking for income. You are looking for income that gets bigger on its own. That is dividend growth rate. Third, the investment itself has to appreciate in value, because you are reinvesting dividends to buy more shares. And if those shares are not appreciating, the compounding loop slows down. Pay now, grow every year, appreciate over time. 3 filters. Every investment in the portfolio has to pass all 3. Here is the 5 investment portfolio that meets all 3 criteria. The first is SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, the only ETF in the portfolio and the foundation of the whole thing. SCHD holds over 100 dividend-paying companies across technology, healthcare, finance, energy, and consumer goods. If any single stock has a rough year, SCHD keeps the whole portfolio stable. It pays a 3.44% yield with a 10.43% dividend growth rate and 8.59% annual share price appreciation. The second is Home Depot. Not the highest yield, not the fastest growth, but the consistency is extraordinary. Home Depot has raised its dividend every year for over 16 consecutive years. It pays a 2.83% yield with an 8.46% dividend growth rate and 9.35% annual appreciation. The third is Lowe's, the lowest yield in the portfolio at 2.03%, but the highest dividend growth rate at 15.61%, and the highest appreciation at 11.57%. Lowe's barely shows up in year 1. The payments are small, but at a 15.6% growth rate, the dividend doubles roughly every 4.5 years. Lowe's is the pick that pays massively in year 25. The fourth is United Health Group. Every other investment in the portfolio is tied to retail or real estate. UNH adds the healthcare sector, the one sector where spending accelerates as the population ages. It pays a 3.27% yield with a 12.07% dividend growth rate and 7.78% appreciation. The fifth is Rexford Industrial Realty, REXR, the highest yield in the portfolio at 5.32% and the second highest dividend growth rate at 14.28%. REXR pays the most income from day one. It is the pick that makes the early years feel real, while the other 4 are still compounding quietly in the background. Across all 5, the blended portfolio carries a 3.38% dividend yield, a 12.17% dividend growth rate, and 8.7% annual appreciation. Setting this entire system up takes about 15 minutes. Open a brokerage account at Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. All 3 offer commission-free trading, no account minimums, and fractional shares. Fractional shares matter because $1 per day per investment means you cannot afford a full share of Home Depot or United Health. With fractional shares, you buy a piece of each one, and that piece still earns dividends just like a full share. Link your bank account, set up an automatic transfer, of $35 per week. That is $5 per day. Split it equally across SCHD, Home Depot, Lowe's, UNH, and REAXR. 20% to each, same amount, same schedule, every week. Then turn on DRIP, one toggle. From that moment forward, every dividend automatically reinvests into more shares. The compounding loop is now running on its own, and you never have to think about it again. Picture yourself 30 years from now. The $5 a day has been running quietly in the background the entire time, through every market cycle, through every correction. By year one, the account holds $1,825, basically your contributions. By year 10, it reaches approximately $33,043, almost double what you put in. By year 20, $163,038, more than 3 times your total contributions. And by year 30, the portfolio reaches approximately $793,560 and pays approximately $5,091 every single month in dividend income. The colleagues who dismissed $5 a day as too small to matter are still working. You are not, because $5 a day, invested correctly in the right 5 investments with DRIP turned on, builds something that almost nobody starting today actually believes is possible, until they are the ones receiving the dividend deposits every month for the rest of their life. If you have made it this far, you are not the investor who dismisses small numbers. You are the one who runs the math. And I'm going to guess you have already subscribed to this channel, because this is exactly the kind of content we make every week. If you have not subscribed yet, do it now, and watch the next video on screen. We already broke down the best 3 ETF portfolio for getting genuinely wealthy in 2026, and it builds directly on the foundation this dividend system creates.